Question number 4. Two forces with magnitudes of 10 Newton and 24 Newton act on an object. I will take an object and then I will draw a floor here. And I will say 10 Newton and 24 Newton are acting on an object. If the resultant force is a magnitude of 26 Newton, what is the angle between the two forces? Now you see, it cannot be 0 degrees, right? The reason is because 10 plus 24, they are not parallel forces, right? The parallel forces are 10 plus 24 uses to 34 Newton, which is not seen, which is 26 Newton over here. Okay, and if it is, now what we'll do is let us consider that one force is acting like this, which is 24 Newton. Okay, if it is acting backward, so 180 is not there. Okay, now the other force, let it act like this over here. Other force, let it act like this over here, 10 Newton over here. Let the angle between them be theta over here. Okay, now what should we do? Now we need to find out what is the resultant. The resultant would be something like this, would be like this over here, and we need to find what is the angle between the two forces. Now how do we find the angle between the two forces? That's the question. Now what we do is, let us take the component of this 10 Newton force along the x direction. What will be the component, which will now be equal to 10 cos theta. And what is it along the perpendicular? Along the perpendicular, it should be 10 sin theta. Now there is already one more force, which is 24 Newton plus 24 along the x axis. I assume this. Okay, 24 like this over here. I can assume this as one of the axes to be x axis. Now therefore, if I take, now see, I cannot directly use Pythagoras theorem over here, but if I use something like this, I can always use, right? So I have two forces like this. The resultant of these two forces would be like this over here, whose value is equal to 26, right? So what should I do? So if this is 10 cos theta plus 24, this should be 10 sin theta. Now x square plus y square equal to root, right? Or this value over here. So I can now write this as equal to, I'll write it down here. 26 square is equal to 10 cos 24, sorry, 10 cos theta plus 24, the whole square plus 10 sin theta, the whole square. I'll write like this, which should now be equal to, what is this now? A plus b whole square. Let us use this. It will be 100 cos square theta plus 24 square. What is 24 square? 496 plus this 10 sin theta square. Let me just find out what is 24 square. I'm not sure about it. Let me find out. Just give me a moment. Where is it now? 24 into 24 is 576. See, that's why I made a mistake. Okay, I'll make it as 576. Okay, plus a plus b whole square, right? This is a square plus b square, and this should be 2 into 24, 48. 48 into 10 is 480 plus 480 cos theta is equal to, sorry, there's one more. I'm sorry, I missed this one here. Plus 10 sin theta whole square plus 100 sin square theta. This should now be equal to, 26 square. What is 26 square? Let us find out that also. Let me cancel this and I'll write 26 into 26 is equal to 676. 676. So let me simplify this. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. So what I will write this as 100 plus this 576 plus 480 cos theta is equal to 676. Now 100 plus 576, 676, and here also 676. So therefore these two will cancel, right? This and this will cancel. So I will get 480 cos theta is equal to 0, or cos theta is equal to 0. When will cos theta become 0? When theta becomes equal to 90 degrees. So therefore the answer is D over here. Okay.